It's like the hottest day of the year. It's gonna be like 95 degrees, super humid, and like it's gonna feel like 100, 105 outside. Usually I go for a run outside every morning. Heck no, not today. But I was thinking, like, how do you fly a drone on a day like today? I'll show you. There's two things to remember when you're flying a drone on a hot, humid day like today. First is yourself. This is very important. The drone can be replaced, but if you died, nice knowing you. Second is your drone. You have $1,000 or more flying out in the air. So you want it to A, perform well, and B, not follow the sky. But first, your body. I'm gonna stop in for Walgreens for a couple things. One is some water, and two is some sunscreen. It's hot outside. It's like 92, 93 degrees. It's about 55% humidity. And on top of that, at least there's a nice breeze. So why should I be concerned about flying a drone when it's hot and humid outside? There's two things to understand about weather. One is when it's hot, the air is very dense. And that's the principle of science in general. Something gets heated up, the molecules expand and become less dense. When they get cooled, they get hard, more compact. And so when you're flying a drone or any aircraft, when it gets hot outside, it doesn't have enough air to lift off. But that plays an interesting role in the weather when it's also humid. So when it's humid, think of this gallon of water here. Humidity is the amount of water in the air. And we've all seen videos of drones crashing into water. They're dead. Now it's not going to happen when it's just humid outside, but their performance is going to be lower because they have to fight not only through the air, but they also have to fight through the water molecules in the air. And so your drone's performance is going to be suffering. So two things to remember when flying a drone on a hot, humid day. First, lack of dense air. And two is an abundance of moist air. So other than those two things, you're pretty much good to fly. Another thing to remember on a hot, humid day when you're flying is don't forget that your drone is working overtime here. Pay careful attention to the intelligent flight battery indicator on your drone app to make sure that you get your drone back in time. Let's go fly.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, so we're off the ground here. So I'm watching the flight indicator on the app. And let's have a nice good flight here. So we're in the town of Dale today. It's a small little town, farming community, as evidenced by this tractor farm equipment sales facility. All right, so we're done flying now. What else do we need to be worried about? As soon as we land this thing, we need to remember that this battery is going to be super hot. When you're flying, not only does the drone make or produce a lot of heat, but it's super hot outside. So that battery in that drone that we're watching this video from is going to be hot. Now before I get home to charge it up, because I only have one battery, it needs to be cold. It needs to be ice cold before it's going to be able to be recharged. And that's because of the intelligent flight battery that DJI has in its drones. Now that said, I'm going to land this thing. And I always catch it. So as I was saying, after you're done flying your drone on a hot day, and if you want to go get some more footage on a hot day, remember to cool your battery off as much as you can before it gets charged. Intelligent flight batteries can recognize how hot your battery is and will prevent you from charging unless it is cool enough. So I usually hold up my battery to the car vent as long as I can before my arm gets tired and before it gets charged. So that way I waste as little time as possible.